Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into a lateral stretch. Reach your arms overhead. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Begin to alternate stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your side body. Pausing at the top, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into a forward bend variation. Extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, gently folding forward. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. And with each exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.